Alright everybody, what's up? We're back out here at the depot because Norfolk Southern 1068, the Erie unit is coming back east tonight. And there's an eastbound coming right now, so we're gonna watch it. Here he comes. Hopefully it's got 1068 on it. No, it doesn't. Or it might, I have no idea. I just heard it was headed back east. I didn't know what kind of train it's on, but this is pretty interesting either way. And there it goes. First train of the night. Correction. We have the second train of the night coming now, which is a westbound. This is about to pop out around the corner right over there. So again, I'm gonna move my stuff. This westbound, I believe, should be the night local, if I'm correct, which should have some interesting power. We're about to find out. It sounds like it is. I'm not 100% sure. Yes, it is. I can tell by the... Oh, hey! In case you guys didn't see that, that is an old BNSF Dash 8. Those are all very soon. Exactly. All those and eventually scrapped. Wow. So there we go. 2 trains in one video. Pretty awesome. One being that eastbound empty grain train, and then the other being the nighttime local with a Dash 8 on there. So that's pretty cool. Sadly, those engines are very quickly going out of service. Most of them have been scrapped already, from what I know. But that's the first train of the night, guys. I hope you enjoy that. This hunt tonight for 1068, the Erie unit from Norfolk Southern. This one's going to be at night. It came through Scotts Bluff a few hours ago. I believe it should be coming through here sometime tonight. There was a lot of eastbounds in front of it from what I heard on Facebook from a guy. I do apologize. I forgot your name. I will look at it. I will have to. Thank you. You know who you are. So thank you for the information on it. There is a chance it might have already gone through, but because I was busy for a few hours earlier today, I might not have been able to catch it. But we're going to be out here for a few more hours, hopefully, and see what we can find. See you guys in the next video.